This question is from GATE Mechanical Engineering of 2011. This is question number 22. The question is, the coefficient of restitution of a perfectly plastic impact is, so we need to find the coefficient of restitution for perfectly plastic impact. So first let's see the definition of coefficient of restitution. Coefficient of restitution. So it is defined as the ratio of relative velocity of separation to that of relative velocity of approach. Now for a perfectly plastic impact, this coefficient of restitution E is equal to 0, because after collision both the bodies, suppose this is body A and this is body B, when they collide they both start to move together. Okay, A and B will move together either in this direction or in any direction. Okay, that means the relative velocity of separation is 0, therefore the coefficient of restitution will be 0. So option A is the correct choice. For more information you can refer to the NPTEL course Impact and Collision on Physics by Professor Sanjeev Sanghi at IIT Delhi.